Hi, this is session 2, activity A, which is the reading, learning difference activities. Please go through the curriculum and read through the details of your activity. Also, there will be a cue card within your packet that will have everything that I'm going through today, and also an introduction that you want to use with the students before you present the activity. For the first part, you're going to present the children with a cow picture, although they won't know what it is initially. Here it says cow picture. So you'll ask the children, can anyone tell what this is just by looking at it? And most of them will have a hard time. And then after, you'll turn it around and you'll show the outlined picture where everyone will notice now that it clearly was a cow. Let them, guess and then talk about it a little bit as to, when you had more information, you were able to see it more clearly, which will lead into some of the reading activities and strategies that we're going to go through. You will find a card that has paragraphs that are read. You'll present the children with the first paragraph that has the number 1 on it, and you'll ask them to read through it. They'll all have one and they can read silently. And they'll definitely struggle through it because you'll see that the letters are very confusing and the spacing is confusing. At the next point, you will ask them, present them with the corrected paragraph. And the idea is for them to understand that children with reading learning differences, this is how it appears to them very often. So for them to actually visually understand how challenging it would be to read this. Now on the second group, there are blue cards. So you'll present number 1 to the child. Again, they will struggle, they will try to read it. And then you will present some strategies that might help. So if you were to try this strategy, which blocks out the rest of the paper, so does that help at all as you move through?
Yes. One word at a time.
Right. And then there's another strategy that some children use, which is another blocking type strategy that helps them to separate some of the other pieces on the paragraph. You can then present to them the second corrected paragraph just so that they can see the difference. Following that, you just want to have a nice discussion about what was challenging, what helped, some other strategies maybe that they could come up with, doing books on tape or using your finger to move along. So definitely promote some discussion with the kids about how they felt, how you might feel if you have a learning difference, and that there are techniques that can help. Thank you for watching.